How to use Claude AI in Excel. So the first way is to use the Claude add-ins. Here, just go to add-ins, type in Claude, and then two Claudes will pop up. Select either one of them, and then you can use them. You just sign in with your email, and you can use them. That's the first way, but the second way is, in my opinion, much easier. Now, let's go to the browser, claude.ai, just the website, and you can basically ask it to do anything for you. So let's say I have like a data set of some sort. Here I have sample sales data right here. Let's open them up so you can see how it looks like. This data looks very unorganized. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna close this. I'm gonna drag this data set. I'm gonna drag this sample data, and I'm gonna tell it, make this data be, and make a financial report under everything. So let's send this message, and here as you can see, Claude finished with the report. And let's just download this. Let's open it up and just drag and drop it into Excel, and it's gonna open the file, and there you go. Here we even have monthly summary, charts, and the financial report. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.